Question number 96. In this question, Dick is thrice as old as Tom and Harry is twice as old as Dick. So the Dick, Tom, and Harry. Dick is thrice of Tom and Harry is twice of Dick. So it is. So it means the Dick age is 3x. And the condition in the question is Dick is 1 year less than the average of all three. So average of all three, 3x plus 6x is 10x by 3 is the average minus 1. So this is 9x, 10x minus 3. So x is equal to 3. Question is about the Harry age. Harry age is 6x. So 6 into 3. Answer is 15 years. Now see number 97. This time it is given that on selling a pen at 5% loss and book at 15% gain, Kareem gained rupees 7. So 5% is actually equal to 1 upon 20. So 15% is going to be 3 by 20. It is a simple concept to do the question of percentage. So pen is, let us take 20x. And the book cost is 20y. So first time, 5% loss on pen means 1 upon 20 of x is x. So the loss is minus x. Okay. And book at a 15% gain. So 3 by 20 of 20y is 3y. So 3y is gain. Net gain is 7 rupees, so minus x plus 7 rupees. Condition is if you sell the pen at 5% gain. 5% gain, so gain is x rupees. And the book at 10% gain, so 10% is 1 upon 10 of 20y is 2y. So the total gain is given equal to 13 rupees. So if I add equation 1 and 2, then 5y is equal to 20. So y will be 2. Now question is, what is the cost price of the book? Book is 20y. So 20y means 20 into 4. 80 rupees is our cost. Now take question 98. Here we have two equations, a minus 6b plus 6a equal to 4 and 6a plus 3b minus 3c equal to 50, where a, b, c are called real numbers and the value of 2a plus 3b minus 3c is given. So look at 2a plus 3b minus 3c. In equation number 2, 6a plus 3b minus 3c is given. And here a minus, if I take common 2, then 3b minus 3c is given. So this we take benefit here, like a minus 2, 3b minus 3c is equal to 50. And from this equation, 6a plus 3b minus 3c equal to 50, we can write 3b minus 3c, 50 minus 6a. So it is a minus plus 13a minus 100, right hand side, 100 plus 4 is 104. So it is a. A is a. Now the question is 2a plus 3b minus 3c. So 2 into 8 plus 3b minus 3c. 3b minus 3c already calculated, 50 minus 6. A value is 8. So it is 16 and this is 50 minus 48 to 18. It is our answer. Now the next question 99. Here P is equal to x plus 2y square plus 3z cube. X increases 6300%, Y increases 700%, and Z increases 300%. So what is the total percentage increase in value of a P? So here P is x plus 2y square 3z cube. So x increases 6300%. So let us take the value of x is 100%. So 6300% increase. means it become 6400% of initial value 100%. ये 2y% means 2y into y. So the here two successive discount. So first change is 700%. And second is also 700%. So initially if value is 100%, then 700%, 100 plus 700, the base value, the new base value will be 800. 800, 700% is 5600. So 800 plus 5600 becomes 6400. 6400% of initial value. And similarly, 3 into z cube is three successive changes. Here, the first change is 300%. So if it is also initially 100%, so it is 400. Then again 300% is 1200. 1200 plus 400 is 1600. And then again plus 300% means 16 3 4800. So 48 plus 1600 is 6400. So you can say initially if P was equal to 100% and finally it becomes 6400%, 6400%, 6400%. So 6400% is a common. So it means 6400 minus 100 changes is 6300%. Answer is P. Now take question number 100. Here set the cell to object A and B, and on A C makes profit 20% and on B loss of 10%. It is given at the same price as that, means selling price is same. And here, 20% is 1 upon 5, 10% is 1 upon 10. So let us take the cost of A is 5x. And cost of B, let us take 10x. So 20% profit, so means 1 upon 5, 5x, 1 upon 5 is x. So the cost selling price will be 5x plus x, 6x. And 10y, 10% loss means y will be loss. So the selling price will be 9. Both same, 6x is equal to 9. In both case, selling price is same. Now the condition if we see increases the selling price as that object A and B is still sold at an equal price, means selling price is again same, and a profit of 10% is made on object B. So if profit is 10%, so 10y plus y means 11y. And selling price is same, so its selling price should also be 11y. Okay. Then the profit made on object A will be nearest to. So look here. It is 6x is equal to 9y. So it is 1.55. Means x is equal to 1.55. If I take 1.55, the value of x, then it is 7.54. So 7.55 is a cost. Selling price is 11y. So profit is 3.5 y. The cost price is 7.5 y into 100. So this is 7, 15, 7, 15, and this is 5, 3, 20, 140 by 3. So it is 46.66%. So nearest to answer is 47. Answer is C.